I was a Navy corpsman right after high school, and when I was getting ready for discharge from the armed services, I started to wonder, what am I going to do when I finish this? What am I going to do? How am I going to transfer those skills? And I found out about a physician assistant career through one of the PAs who was serving as a medical officer in the boot camp where I was working as a corpsman. And we chatted for a little bit, and I found out through that conversation about the PA career, and I really got excited about it and found out that even better that there was a program in my hometown. I found out that I really liked teaching in that process. It was also nice to go back to my hometown and get involved 100% into education, and I did that for many years, moving on eventually to become the program director of that program. In 2000, I met this gentleman who was the president of Shenandoah University at a national PA conference in Chicago, and he came up to me and said, I'm looking for a program director for this program that I'm planning on starting in Winchester, Virginia. And I said, I don't know where Winchester, Virginia is, and I'm flattered that you asked me, but I'm really not looking for a job right now. And he said, perfect, come talk with me. And I did, and the next thing you know, I ended up taking the position here at Shenandoah University to launch the first PA program at Shenandoah. The Shenandoah University PA program is very pleased that we are on the top 25 of the U.S. News and World Report listing for graduate physician assistant programs. We're the youngest program in the top 20, and we're very pleased that we were able to get to that ranking. That's because our graduates are well known for providing excellent care of their patients. Our program is very competitive. Each year we get on the average of 800 applications for 50-some seats. Candidates who get accepted to our program have very strong academics, and they really demonstrate a knowledge of the PA profession, and they also demonstrate to our faculty that they have a caring and compassionate personality. If you've worked in healthcare as a nursing aide, a nurse or paramedic, an emergency medicine technician, or a variety of other positions that can show us that you really know what you're getting yourself into. Our typical candidate has a GPA of about 3.6. We're very fortunate to have a very strong faculty here at Shenandoah University. Our faculty are all physician assistants, so they've had experience working in the clinical environment, and now they've come to share those knowledge and skill with the students. In addition, most of our faculty also work up to 1 day a week to keep those clinical skills active and up to date. So within the context of our curriculum that's 30 months, the physician assistant students are able to diagnose disease, prescribe medicine, and perform certain clinical skills. Those clinical skills can include a wide range of things, from starting IVs to putting on casts or splints to even more sophisticated things. Our students have no difficulty in finding employment after they graduate. In fact, many of them are offered jobs while they're on their clinical training during the second year of the program. The employment opportunities for physician assistants are fantastic right now, and part of the reason that that's the case is we find that as more patients get health insurance, they have an opportunity to access health care, and they need providers. Physicians are beginning to retire. Individuals are getting older within our population, the so-called baby boomers, and they need more care. And right now there's a shortage of healthcare providers, physicians and PAs and nurse practitioners. Our students will fill those positions, and they'll make a good salary doing that. The starting salaries are anywhere from $80,000 to over $100,000 a year, depending on the location of the practice. But the important part is that PA can practice medicine in a manner that is very close to what physicians do. The successful candidate for our program is somebody who really shines in their ability to communicate that they are a caring and compassionate individual.